Yo, it's BMX Learner 1, right? It's my bike check. Beautiful bike. Okay, we got the lime green ODI super soft grips. We got the Flatland Fuel bars, P-Series racing stem. Under here I have a premium blue colored top cap with 3 carbon fiber spacers. I got the Verde Regent forks, stock front rim from my I'm running the Fit Brian Foster 1 frame. It's a stock bike with tons of parts. Front tire is a Primo V Monster V2 version 2, and I have my Ace Spades dial caps, Dan's Comp heavy duty tubes. I got integrated bearings. Then I have Mission Transit cranks in purple, black stolen Thermalite plastic pedals, mechanic half-link chain with the stolen class ring 2 sprocket, and the bottom bracket is the stolen revolver bottom bracket, 19mm mid. I got the color green for the outside. Then I got my Shadow Crow pivotal seat and a stock pivotal seat post that came with the bike. I also have my Aaron Ross Odyssey rear tire, 20 times 2.10, and the front is 20 times 2.25. The frame is 20.5, and my rear rim is my Demolition Rogue.